Nganong dagan kay mga estudyante karon na nakahigugma na gani sila or nanay sila yung mga uyab, pagbulag nila, sobrang depressed kay sila o na yung mga time na gusto sila magpakimatay.
I think students these days who are going through breakup are suffering from depression and thinks of killing themselves or hurting themselves. It's because they love the person too much nga losing the person also means losing their will to live, their will to have a better life. Kay they think nga kato nga person nga ilang nauyab mao na gito ang panghangganan nila and mo to gasagi sila hunahuna nga maybe if I do this ayaw pa din nila ma-feel nga I am important to them and losing me means nga losing me means na kanang makita na nila akong worth.